This remote CCT control as below. Off. On. Mode key for cool white, pure white, warm white, 3 statics. CW balance key is for cool white. Long press to choose any color temperature. WW balance for warm white. Long press brightness key to dim down. Soft dimming and choose any brightness. Brightness plus key. One PC remote could control multi-PC's controller at same time. Night light key. Bottom two keys are DIY keys. The way of how to DIY is: first, choose the color temperature and brightness. Then long press DIY key for 3 seconds until light flash. DIY setting successfully. Delay off key. Light will delay off in 30 seconds.